Alright, this is a comparison of the Boss CS-2 compressor from the 80s, and we have the Keeley compressor, the C4 4-knob compressor. And I'm playing on a Fender Strat with Vox AC30. Here's a clean signal. Start with the Boss. Let's go to the Keeley. Let's turn up the sustain. More controls on the Keeley, and we have this clipping which kind of introduces a little bit more gain. But it's very transparent, the Keeley one. The Boss kind of, to me, seems it colors it just a tiny bit. It's not as transparent as the Keeley. So that is the comparison of these two pedals. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.